I'm here to present to you our latest update, the Smart Search. So let me show you how it works, because I really want to go through some different scenarios and triggers and see how easy it is to go to every little spot in the app without even knowing where some features are. So first, you can trigger the Smart Search with a simple key combination with Command J on Mac or with Ctrl J on a Windows device. So let's see how it goes. First, I want to see the style of the banner and change a little bit. So I'm just gonna write style. And as you can see, it currently shows that this is under cookie banner design, and it shows all the results that include style, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go with the first option, and as you can see, it's not just forwarding me to design, it scrolls me down to the feature and it shows me the exact place that I need to focus my attention on, which is something that is super neat and super smooth for a customer experience. So I added my brand assets, so I want to match the theme with my banner, and this is exactly how it should look. So let me save these changes. Amazing. And now I want to trigger again the search and go to the cross-domain section, which, I'm just typing domain, it shows cross-domain automatically because I want to add one more store here. Let's say Elena Demo Store 3. Amazing. And now I want to see what kind of cookie list I have, because I know I've been running some scans. I'm not sure if they're automatic or anything. So let's just go to cookies. Manage cookies, yes. So this is all of the cookies currently running on my store. As I can see, there are 57 cookies distributed between different categories, first and third party, duration and actions. But I want to make sure I'm scanning those cookies on a monthly basis. Like, let's go directly to schedule scan. Okay, it highlights the schedule scan here. Amazing. So I want to go every month on the 5th of the month, and let's say 1 a.m. is better because that's the lowest traffic on my website. So I'm scheduling this now. Perfect. I want to go now and see if my customers can actually trigger their preferences easily. So I want to set up a widget. So I'm going to type cookie widget. Yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So it's currently enabled. I don't want it as a text, I want it as an icon, and I do like the Consentmo here, so I'm gonna leave it like this. So you can easily trigger it from here and just check, what your current state of cookie settings is and all these things. So this is how the Smart Search works within the app. As you can see, I just went through so many different places in the app without even checking the navigation on the left, which is so amazing. But you know what? Let's see how this works on some of the other languages we have in the admin, because it's not just English, and we don't just have English speaking merchants here. So let me bring up my French and see how it looks and works in French. So as you can see, as soon as I trigger the search, all of the suggestions are also in French automatically. So let's see, I want to check the order of the buttons in the banner. So this in French would be something like ordre des boutons. Exactly like this. It's currently under bannière du cookie. So let's go there. It scrolls down. Ordre des boutons is here, and I can actually change the order of buttons to accept preferences, reject. Yes, I like it like that. Let's save it. So being a French-based store, I want to see also the regions where the banner is active. So I'm gonna type région. Exactly. So currently I see the regions selected for my app are Les États-Unis, which is the United States. States, exactly. And actually I'm also operating in Europe, so I'm gonna choose Europe as well and save it. So as you can see, the deep search, the smart search in Consentmo actually works in all of the languages, or at least I showed you in English and French. It works in all of them actually, so you can easily browse in every language we have the admin translated to. So the three main things here are, it jumps to any feature you may need and you may type just by the keyword. It also has a smart scroll and highlight of the feature, so you don't need to look for it. And it gives you multiple choices. So even if you just type style, you see multiple choices in the search results. Why we have done this? Because we believe this is what the Agentic Commerce is all about. We also want to bring a smoother experience to our merchants, and this would work specifically alongside Sidekick. So all of this and much more is coming to Consentmo very soon. So this is just the beginning. Stay hyped for what is coming, and I can't wait to present to you again what we've been working on. So see you in the next one.